Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a brilliant tool to enhance anybody's YouTube stream with really minimum effort and for free. So let's get straight into it. I just want to start off by thanking number one, the one and only Johnny. He's the one who put it on to me. He's the one who mentioned it. He's the one I got this idea from to do a little video on this. So thank you to Johnny for this. Guys, go and follow him on the old Kick, YouTube, Twitter, whatever you want. Go and follow him. But yeah, big thank you to Johnny for this idea. Guys, this is it. So this is VidIQ. I don't pay for this. You can pay for it. It's up to you if you want to. For me, I'm going to show you two tools that I think need to be used for any streamer. And I think the first one has to be the coach. It's called AI coaching, so it's like a virtual coach. So we're going to do, click and open that up, and this is how it looks. So you have a free basic one here, and you have an advanced one then that looks into your channel and personalizes it straight to you. This is how it works down here. So this costs. This is not free, but what you do, you have 3 tokens every 30 days. Threads refresh after every 30 days. So that's what you can do. So you can have one credit per message it costs. You can have 3 every 30 days. So I have been using this on mine. So I'm going to use the last one on you guys to test out. So what I'm going to put in there, it's just a little command just to see how it works and see if it works. I don't know if this is going to work. So I'm going to put in there, what's the best times for me to post a video and what types of video? I'm going to send. They may not be able to respond. We shall have a look. So it's thinking about the question. It's using my data and the analysis. Transfers into, please try a different question. Doesn't seem to work. Okay, so maybe it doesn't like what type of video. So let's do one at a time. Let's see if this works. There you go. So it's because I was asking 2 questions in one, it didn't like it. But now it's going to give me an in-depth answer of when I should be posting, and what percentages are the best. So it's telling me my majority viewership from the USA of 38.9% and the UK of 17.9%. So these are the 2 countries. Considering the time difference between these 2 countries, I recommend posting the video between 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern, so that's 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. UK time. This should reach both audiences, and most likely to be online engaging most. There we go, chat. So this is me personally. I've used all my credits now, so I won't be able to post anything else. But this is great knowledge for myself as a streamer and as a content creator. When's best to post a video and for me to get the maximum amount of people watching it. So between 5 and 8 p.m. UK time, and I'll be able to hit my 17.9% in the UK and my 38.9% in the US. So guys, this tool is free to use. Remember, all you got to do is just sign in with your YouTube account or your Google account connected to your YouTube account, whichever one you want to do, and use it. So I'm going to go back now. The next one, which is something to test out. I don't know if it'll work for everything. I don't know if it'll work all the time, but we're going to have a look. Is AA content creator. Alright. So again, I'm just going to pick a random one I picked out from earlier. So I've copy and pasted it into here now for you. So I'm going to put create a video, the best foods to keep you healthy in 2023. So I'm going to press go. And what it'll do, it'll pick a title, it'll pick a description, the best keywords for it, and it'll also pick a thumbnail. This will be AI generated, so make sure you're aware that this is AI generated. It'll create a video script for you and a voiceover. I don't know how good this will be in the terms of the voiceover and everything. Again, you can have access to unlock it all. The voiceover, I'm not too sure if it works 100%. For instance, these are the types of thumbnails you can get. They're not fantastic, they're not great, but it gives you an option to start on, and you'll be able to work over that then. So the voiceover over here, let's have a little listen.
Welcome to our video on the top 10 nutrient powerhouses
there we
for
go.
a healthy 2023. In today's
So there you go. You're able to see that the voiceover does work. You are able to download it. So you can download that now and put that on to a video that you're going to create, even by AI. Create it via AI to use this script and use it alongside another AI application. So guys, with a script, you're able to use a program like, for instance, Pictory. You're able to process this then, and hopefully with that script, it's able to make a healthy video for yourself. So let's use this now. I'll wait for this to finish now, and then once it's done, I'll show you the outcome. Hopefully it will be okay. Again, this is all AI generated. So then you can add the visuals and stuff yourself. You can also add the voiceover yourself. Looks like it's going to be done in just a second. Again, this is all done via the AI generator. It's got to give you the keywords. It's give you everything you need to make a video. So you could technically make a full video via AI without using any brain power, and it can be done in a matter of seconds. So this is the video that it's come up with. So yeah, well, it's got a picture of a pig in the background there. Hey, look, we just go into this is the AI video, so it's made all these different things. When we can do them, we can add voiceover or upload voiceover. We can upload that, and we can use the file that we downloaded. And download, this one be here, open, and we can have this over the top. So we're able to make the video. We shall see. It might work, it might not. So there we go, chat. We're gonna sync that over now, and that's how we can create a video via the AI and use the tools we can. And this will all work, guys. This is all free
Welcome
product.
to our video on the top 10 nutrient powerhouses
you can
for
see,
a
it's
healthy
working
2023. In today's fast-paced world, it's more important.
So guys, that's how to do it. We can all make these for free as well. The program, this is free and limited. You can pay to unlock the boost. To pay for it, it is £49. So that's probably like $55 a month. It is quite expensive, but I'm sure someone's got a promo code that you could possibly use for them. Go out there, search the web. I'm sure there is one there. You can get it a bit cheaper at £39 if you're going to use an annual subscription fee. Alright guys, so that is it from me. Guys, make sure you use this. So it's called VidQI. The links will be in the description down below. Don't forget to drop a reaction, drop a sub, and this is the best way you can enhance your stream for many things, and also enhance videos. So guys, much love, take care, peace.